Hello, we are here in Andalusia, in Villifique, up in the mountains, planting trees, and our quest is to get as much survival rate as possible, which is very hard because on average it rains only 200 millimeter here with severe long droughts, so more as half a year, sometimes 3/4 of a year, until a year without rain. So we are looking for ways to increase the percentage. One is planting and looking for cover against the sun, against the animals, against the wind. And we're here at the bramble bush. It's not so convenient to plant, to be honest, but of course this will protect the trees against the animals. Plus in the summer it's full with leaves, so it's like a big umbrella against the sun, and of course it will catch more humidity. So we plant always in the southeast direction of the bush or the big stone or whatever gives the cover. Why? Because in midsummer the sun sets in the northwest. And the trees, you want to give them shade from the afternoon on, because then they don't need to work. And we also don't want to work 12 hours, and because that's exhausting. So the trees as well, you want to give them end of the day very soon. So we also, beneath these bushes, you can find black soil. In the black soil there's also the mycorrhiza, which is from the place. We plant deeper so to catch water, and these are the species we plant here because we are going into a barranco, as they say, a dry river valley. So we are planting poplars, we have some elms here, nettle trees and ash. And I plant them all in the same hole, so we will see which ones survive. And don't worry, go to natural forest. The trees grow different species next to each other. So actually the roots will help each other.
Does your company also want to sponsor a tree planting day, or do you want to plant trees with us? Contact us or go to our website and click Plant.